Hey friends, I'm here in 56 Kitchen here in Salon, Ohio, where we are having a dinner with my office mate after our quarterly departmental meeting where we decided to have our dinner here. This is what the restaurant looks like, and they have a stone-baked pizza here. That's why we decided to have our dinner here. They're a little bit busy and I love their design, guys. It seems to be so cozy and laid back. So this is what I love in this restaurant. Let me know if you're a vegetarian. They have actually lots of choices for vegetarians here. They have several variety of foods in here that you can choose to. This is all the appetizers that we ordered. I actually ordered a spinach dip with a feta bread. It actually tastes good. This is the best by so far spinach dip that I have tasted. My main dish, I ordered a pele steak. I really love the meat and the taste of this pele steak. Overall, I have a great experience here in 56 Kitchen here in Seoul.